I have no idea what the purpose of this shower is. What I can tell you is it's really cool, and it was probably invented by someone like me, for someone like me, because I just love it. It's got an Archimedes thread down there and some sort of propeller in the top, which appears like it's churning up the water and adding air to it, but the only air it's got is what's in the chamber there. So underneath you've got such tiny holes you can't even see them. It just looks like a sheet of metal, but it's actually got micro pores in it. You almost saw it there, didn't you? And they're all seem to be angled holes, and it comes out in like a patterned laminar flow. You've got a turning knob there which says stop and open, but it does restrict the flow a bit, but I'm not quite sure what it's for anyway. Let's see it working. An adjustable head. Doesn't that look just like a net? Don't think that adjusts, but the flow does slow it down somewhat. Yeah. It seems almost kind of steampunk-esque in its design. Yeah, it's kind of useless in a way, but I love it. What was I going to say? This is filmed on a Samsung phone, and I've used a filter called Riddle, which tends to make this gold really pop, and also it gives me a better shade of artificial light, because I've got a light on in here. My last attempt was very yellowy, so this is filmed in original, so yeah, but the gold isn't quite as poppy as this. It still looks quite gold, but it should be. So I was given this as a gift without any instructions or any description, so I didn't really know what it was for or about, other than the fact that it looks very aesthetically pleasing watching the little gold things spinning around. Apparently you can get it in different colours, like purple or blue, but I'm glad my one is in gold, because that would have been my chosen colour. But yeah, I found it now on the website, and it's got some pretty amazing properties, supposedly. One of them is that it's water saving, and the next thing is that it increases the pressure, and also it aerates the water. And since I've used it now a few times, I can't scientifically confirm or deny any of those, but I can have a wild guess of my own estimation that it doesn't do any of those things. I mean, the Archimedes screw thread is pushed around by the water, so that's not causing any turbo effect as such, but it also claims if you take the top off, showerhead can be removed and enter the jet mode. It can also be used as a handheld bidet toilet spray for personal hygiene, pet bathing, baby cloth diaper. So yeah, and also it's got a picture of somebody squirting it down the toilet and down the drain as though it's like a pressure washer and cleaning a moped. But yeah, I don't think it's any different to any normal showerhead really, other than it just looks cool seeing it in action. So that's my my take on it. And but yeah, I do like the product. Would I buy it myself? Possibly. If I didn't have a good working showerhead anyway. I imagine it's probably going to gum up with lime scales at some point soon, because my water is very hard water area, so we'll have to see. I'll keep you posted.